In today's video, I'll show you how to create a simple business website using WordPress. So first I'll go to wordpress.org and then I'll just go /download. So from here we shall download the latest version of WordPress. So I'll click on download. While it's downloading, we can go ahead and open our Xampp server. So I'll start Apache and I'll start MySQL. So once you're done extracting, we are going to copy this WordPress folder. I'll head over to C and go to my Xampp installation and then look for htdocs. And then from here, I'll paste this folder here. So after, I'll just right click and then I'm going to rename it to our business name. For example, let's say Landscapers. So now we have our project, which is Landscapers. So what I'm going to do is I am going to head over to my browser and I'll go to localhost. So here I'll go to phpMyAdmin. So from phpAdmin, I'll create a new database. I'll just click on new and then the database name, I'll just say Landscapers. So I'll copy that. So I'll click on create. So after that, you can see our database is there. Next is we shall go now to localhost /landscapers that we put in the htdocs folder. So now let's set up our WordPress. So we shall choose English, click on continue. So we need to have our database name ready. So I'll click on let's go. So our database name is Landscapers. Username, we are going to use the default username, which is root. Password, we are going to leave it empty. Database host is localhost. Table prefix, we can just say ls, and then let's click on submit. So after that, let's click on run installation. So now let's write the site title, which is Landscapers. And then the username, I'll put my username, and the password, I'll put my password. Then I'll confirm password. Click on confirm weak password. And then email, you can put your email here. And then after that, install WordPress. So after that, let's log in to our WordPress site. Enter your password and then click on login. Now we are here in our WordPress dashboard and you can see that the site is using a default WordPress theme. So now let's head over to appearance and go to themes. Go to add new theme and then search for Astra. So you can see Astra is right here. So I'll click on install. So once it's done, I'll click on activate. So after that, Astra will recommend you to use starter templates. So it's a plugin. We can go and install it separately, or you can just go from this link. So let's say install starter templates, and then it will install it and activate it. So after that, how would you like to build your website? I'm going to choose classic. Build with templates. So from here, I want to use Elementor, so I'll choose Elementor. So make sure you have internet at this moment so that you're able to load the different starter templates. So I'll look out for local businesses. Since ours is landscaping, we shall see if we have any category here. So I'll choose this garden template. This is the template, home and garden decor. So from here, you can change the font pairs. So you just click here, look at that. And you can choose the color palette. There are different styles available. So look through what suits you. So since it is around landscaping, that is dealing with grass, we can choose any shade of green. So I'll go with style 8 and then I'll click continue. So here it will ask you features that you'd like to add. So we can choose sales funnels, free live chat, automations, whatever you want, you just choose it, then click on continue. And then here you can put your details, then click on submit and build website. And then here they'll be building your website. You wait a couple of minutes. So now our site is done. You can visit your website. And here is your fully put together website, which you can edit, you can remove some stuff, you can add what you want, you can customize to the way that you want. So for example, to customize, you can come here to customize. Since it's landscapers, let's go to site global, you can change colors and that. So let's go to this section, which is basically the header. So the site and logo, we can remove the logo and then make the title just visible. Then click on publish. So now this is what we have, and in the next video I'll show you how to customize this website to exactly look like Landscaper's website.